Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're gonna look at this 2026 Grady-White 300 Marlin. True classic hull, been around forever. Now it has a few modern touches on it, make fishing and cruising much easier. You'll see all white hull here from Grady-White. Have a windlass anchor up front with a large bow rails, making it easy to walk up to your bow seating or your windlass controls. So we come here towards the back of the boat. We'll have a port side tuna door, and this boat's now optioned with the twin 350 Yamaha engines. Let's step aboard and see what the inside of the boat has to offer. Now as we come up to the helm on the Grady-White 300 Marlin, have a blank slate here so that you can add any of the electronics you would like. Sky's the limit really nowadays. We'll have our joystick, electronic binnacle, as well as your integrated autopilot with JL audio here in the helm. Now as we come to the cockpit on the 300 Marlin, we'll have a prep station with a freshwater washdown, as well as a large live well. Both these can fold down with seat cushions on top to enjoy a rear-facing seat. We'll have a rocket launcher up here with your carbon fiber outriggers, and a very large cockpit back here to fish in or entertain. Access to your bilge here with a large fish box located centerline. Ben Finley here at MarineMax at Panama City Beach. If you'd like more information on this boat, give us a call or come see the boat in person today.